Yeah. Hey, Joe. Absolutely, aye. Good morning to you. Another day, another dollar can be made, another opportunity. We need to alter this pennant. So. Hey, Matteo. Morning, Lisa. Oh, shit. The algorithmic spikes have me all over the place then. Always add that back if it starts to move back up. I hate being an epic trade at 8 o'clock when the algorithmic spikes hit, you get the algo scrum. Oh, I don't know what I wanted, I needed to drink. Oh, so I've got one, see, it's all right. What's the 20? 421 and a half. 421. Still 102% up on the day. It's Shattuck Labs. I will exit for a small loss if it breaks under 0.420. There we go. Can always get back in. Always get back in. It's just not breaking out. It's just consolidating sideways. I thought, you know, why hold on to it? It's starting to get on my nerves. Pulls back to $4, I might buy it. In action over here, and it's algorithmic spikes again, throwing everything out. Or is it? Oh, yeah, that's algorithmic spikes, that's not. Well, we'll wait for some action then. We'll wait for a little bit of a move. LFMD. We'll look at LFMD. Life Medical. What's going on with LFMD? It's crossed the magic 15%. It's not great volume, but let's see what the catalyst is. Okay. So Medifast initiates business transformation by entering the medically supported weight loss market through collaboration with LifeMD, a virtual primary care provider, and adjust its capital allocation policy. So LifeMD and Medifast partner to offer transformative weight management solution. That came out at 6. That's like spike, but there's no volume. So it could be worth putting on watch for the open. I'll do that. Not really doing anything at the moment. Key level 436, 435, 436. Let's see if we can't get something back on this. We were 1600, we just gave it back. So we gave 1900 back. That's been 1600 up. We'll see. C4 rather. Full C, C4. He's testing the view up now. 1 Those algo spikes don't help. What's going on with Vertex Pharma? Right, Vertex Pharma says phase 2. I'll put this in the chat. Vertex Pharma's expensive one. 7.5% up already. Interesting. Still consolidating sideways on this one. Yeah, just sit and wait, I guess. I hate those algo spikes. Like this one is right now. 420 to 3. It just ruins the chart altogether. What are you going to do? So guys, how did you get on yesterday? I didn't trade. I didn't even look at the chart yesterday. So how did you get on yesterday? How was the markets for yesterday? Hey, Neith. Did you trade? Where did you join someone else's stream? Were they better than me? Is that did half of you not come back? Is that are you over there again now? That's why we've only got 40 people watching right now on the YouTube. And of you 40, only a quarter of you have actually hit the thumbs up buttons. Come on, guys, get your finger out, or rather thumb. Hit that thumbs up button, guys. Oh. Let's if you're watching on YouTube, just give the screen a few taps, a dozen or so, a dozen or two taps, 1 or 2 dozen taps. Just get that like count up. Let's see if we get. I've got some nice little treats for the dog as well. So if we get enough likes, I'll feed the dog a nice little treat. We've not seen Miyako on the stream for a while, so why not? Markets are looking good today. Or reasonably good. ADTX had a good move, did it? Let's have a look at ADTX today. Is there likely to be any continuation today? That's a good question. Did I ask myself? Don't know how I do it for the money. There's no volume, but I can see this on the move up, the gap up, and then the continuation at the open. So nice gap and go there. Then the pullback and sell off for the rest of the day. So it's held half of its gains though. Well, it went up to 9, say half. It started off around 350 yesterday. So 5, 6, yeah, well, almost half, about 40%. It's held about 40% of its gains. So we'll see. So it's Aditext. You're long on AMD, Mike. Are you swing trading that, or are you in it long term in terms of value investing? It's been rejected here, what, 6 times now. And there we go again. Really is flat topping here. Hey Tang, how you doing, buddy? All right, okay. So Jeff Brand has got an Amazon play, so that might see a bit of movement on Jeff Brand's later. Swing trading. Okay, well, you do you, Vivid. Good luck with that. Which instrument do you use when you swing trading, Mike? Do you use options or do you buy the underlying stock itself? Oh, fair play to you. Good luck. I hope it pays for you. The markets are moving up slightly today, so you know AMD is usually one that follows the market. So when the markets are bullish, AMD usually follows suit, barring an individual news catalyst. There's that 435 again. And again. Slow day yesterday, was it? For you, Tang? Did you manage to get the ADTX move that Neith was talking about? I'll just lock that in. So high of that was 448. High of that swing. I'm not seeing CCC or go to possibly look like great volume. So my top pick is at the moment Shattuck Labs. Potential gap and go. I think it's looking. I just think it popped up and falls all the way back down. It's moved up quite steadily up until this last half an hour or so. And consolidating sideways. Back below that 436. I'll take a look at SPRC for you there, Mark. Well, it popped, size spark. We know what size spark does. It has a big pop and then it sells off. So just be careful with size spark. Not hitting my scanners yet because it's not got the volume to hit my scanners. It doesn't meet the filters, so. Right, so SciSpark announced positive results for Metacarex Bio with its drug discovery platform. Oh, we're gonna get sold then. Over $8. Come on. Spreads are whippy, the 20 cents on the spreads. I've in some of that. Thought I wasn't going to get filled then for a second. On the way down. Good call, Mark. Very good call. Well done, buddy. Saver one, why'd you say that? I mean, it's 68 cents at the minute. You know I don't play with these sub $2 stocks, but it's not up that much. For a sub $1 stock, Saver one is only up 17%. So yeah. It's not quick enough on the trigger with these exits. Why would I need to read a bit more? It's still under $1. I don't touch stocks under $2, so I don't need to read anything about it. If it climbs and gets over $2, I'll take a look. But right now, Saver one is not for me. But thanks anyway. You do you boo boo. I know a lot of people like trading these penny stocks. I just won't touch them personally. They're not for me. Wait for a new higher day on Spark. I've been bitten by this stock in the past. Right, okay, just for your benefit there, dry mustard. Let's pull you to pieces a bit here. Okay, so this is Saver one, okay? This is on the 1 minute chart, but let's have a look on the 15-minute chart. The last day I saw it, I had a nice little move up yesterday, then a big sharp decline yesterday. So look at it on the daily, shall we? Oh, that's not looking very healthy at all, is it? You know, it was a $2 stock way back, but in the springtime, but it's been selling off, so it doesn't look very healthy on the daily either. It's not got a catalyst. There's no news catalyst. Had 2 reasonable days. Is it going to go 200-300% up? I doubt it. Is it going to go up to $2? Definitely not today. The volume let's just have a look at the volume. Average volume on Saber One is about 750,000 shares traded each day. It's currently 230, so it's not even a third relative volume. So the relative volume's crap. It's just not for me. There's no real, you know, there's no real opportunity there. The volume's not there. The range is not there. 0.5%. There's no catalyst to say it's moving up. If you're holding bags, just say you're holding bags. You know, you got in on the move up yesterday and you bought at 80 cents and you're looking for it to move up to, you know, $1. You're holding bags up there at 80, 85 cents. Fair enough. But there's no opportunity for me there today. Which stocks are being traded? Well, we just traded. Shattuck Labs. We're slightly down on Shattuck Labs. We're up nice and tidily on SciSpark, Pop and Drop. Morg, it's absolutely with SciSpark. As I said, you look for that pullback and then you get the pop. But don't hang on to it. It does like to pop and drop. The SciSpark. It's quite renowned for it over the last few months. Bit of a pop and drop merchant. Although it did go up to $14 there end of last month. Yeah. It's over $14. It has been higher, but this was last month. 14.22 it went up to. But it's already kind of support there at $9. It's found it, so it's found a bit of resistance there. We've got historical support resistance. There's a bit of a gap actually. Bit of a window there. We've been on for it. Tends to move up to $10, $10.50-ish. But I wouldn't get married to it. Let's see what happens to Shattuck Labs again. Hey, Bols, how you doing? Morning, dude. Morning, Adco. We've got a nice little range between $4 and $4.35 here. This is playing on. Kind of 404 and 435, 436, and it's just playing in that range at the moment. So, if you're, I'm sure, Vols, you've been buying the $4 dips. I'm selling at 430, 435. You like to buy those dips off the 9 and the 20, but that's in the middle. It's just playing in the range. There's a 30-cent range to play with there. That if you like doing range plays, it's been fairly consistent. Absolutely, dude. Hey, Ricky. No volume on QSG. No volume on Minaric. Win Pharmaceutical. Now that's very pop and drop, reminiscent to what we got here. So up and drop all the way back up to almost $8 and then back down to $3 up, $3 down effectively. Very similar to what this did earlier today when this popped up. It popped up and then all the way back down again. Not quite as quickly as coin, but yeah. Let's have a look. Do we get a bounce? Do we get any kind of significant bounce here on Coin Farmer? Taking a stab off the 9. It probably wouldn't do you so good on STTK because it's breaking below. It's playing within that range, and the 9's right in the middle of that range. So why did this just pop? And is it going to move back up over $6? Because Coin Pharmaceuticals announced that it's received FDA clearance to implement a number of protocol amendments to its 2 ongoing clinical trials for Netherton syndrome. That's just dropped at the bottom of the hour. It's an FDA clearance is what that is. And it's a very small float, less than 1 million shares in the float. Not great volume at the minute, but I have traded this in the past. Worth putting on the watch list, I guess. There's volatility to be had there. There we go. That can go on the watch list. Yeah, my little watch list is filling up now. Yeah, I'm kind of watching that one. Whilst it's now back over the VWAP, if it gets over $3, it might be interesting. The range is very small on it. It isn't C4 Therapeutics. There's not a lot of volatility. It is up like 25% nearly, right, as we speak. It went up to over $3. Current high of the day is $3.49, but there's not a lot of range at the moment. It's like less than 5 cents in the 1 minute ATR at the moment. That could all change if it gets over $3. Spark down at the 20, looking to bounce $7. Ethan, it's not CPI day today, it's PPI day. CPI came out yesterday, I believe. So PPI, so it's the producers price index. These teeth back to me, Echo. Producers price index there. Ethan. It's the cost to get the goods on the shelves, not the cost of the goods on the shelves. Actually, looking reasonable. I mean, I'll put the SPY on so you can take a quick look. A bit of a drop, algorithmic drop there, but it's not really done much. So we're getting numbers coming out for month over month for November, 0% versus the 0.1% estimate. We're getting core PPI was 0% versus the 0.2% estimate. The year over year for November, it's 0.9 versus the 0.1 estimate, and the year over year core PPI is 2% versus the 2.2 estimate. So it's actually quite bullish. It's lower than anticipated. We should see the markets continue to rise. Look at the SPY on the daily, guys. Looking at the SPY on the daily, every day this week we've seen an annual high. So granted it's Wednesday, we've got a new high on Friday, a new high on Monday, a new high yesterday, and we're breaking highs again today on the S&P 500. So we're getting closer and closer and closer to those all-time highs. If we get to, so if we get to this top channel here, so this is the bullish bull market channel I drew back in March. If we get to the top, to this channel here, by the time we reach this the top of this channel, we'll be at all-time highs again. So the current all-time high is up there at 479.36. We're currently at 465. So we've got $14 to reach on the SPY to get to all-time highs. Well, looking very good. The market's looking very good at the moment. So C4 rejected at $3 on the nose. Hey Alberto, how you doing, buddy? Come on, guys. I've got some dog treats. I need to get to 50 likes. I need 50 likes. I need 50. Hit that thumbs up. If you've not smacked the thumbs up yet, hit that thumbs up button. I need 50 likes before I can give the dog a treat. So let's get to 50 likes. We've all got 20 more to go, and we've got almost an hour to do it. So plenty of time. Take your time, but make sure you do it. Hit the like button. And if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel and you'll get notified whenever I drop a video, whether I'm going live or whatever. Hey, Darius. Hey, Brandon. Let's go, Brandon. What was the highs this morning? Well, the real high of day is about 320 on this. Well, this is C4. The current high of day is 320. I know it says 349 there, but those were algorithmic spikes. That's not real price action. So the real high of day is when it actually started. It pumped it after the bell yesterday because it had a catalyst after the bell yesterday. Did C4? We're not doing anything with the NASDAQ on this channel. Shidoso. We don't trade the indices. We don't trade futures or forex or crypto on this channel. Equities only. But if you're saying, do I think the market's going to move up or down? Not financial advice, but I think we should have another bullish day today. New 2023 highs again. We just had the PPI data released, which came out fairly good. So we should see a continued climb today. Is side spot making another curl round and attack the VWAP? 750, I think I'll take a look. But 730 is pivot. So let's put a little line in there at 730. That's the pivot. Back over 750, I think. By the time it gets there, the VWAP will probably have come down to match it. We'll see. Harvey's gone red on the day. That's surprising. That was a nice little pop earlier. With a catalyst as well. Looking for some continuation. I mean, we're still in that consolidation on Startup Labs at $4 to $4.35, 35% range it's trading in. You can see how since 7:45 it's just been trading in that range. One little pop out, which I managed to catch, but it's just trading in that range. Above the VWAP, so it's still at this moment in time still my pick for a potential gap and go. It's up over 100%. Can I get a drink, please?
Excuse me.
You're excused.
You're not. Dan?
Hi, Steve. You want to cuddle? Oh. Give me a... Show you. Look, where's you? Where's you? There you are. Look, there you are. See? Yeah. Alright, go on, with mommy.
Come on. You watch it?
Dankeschön.
Not sure, Ben.
Okay. I'm going to have to teach her how to trade before she starts getting reasonable pocket money and invest, of course. Open a little trading account in her name or something. Yes, she certainly is. So, size spot trying to make another move back up. We host you. Yeah, I'm just rejected at the $half. Quarter, half, and whole dollars, very important. Psychological levels. Yeah, everybody's got to give a like now. Everybody's got to smash that thumbs up button now. Well done, Marley. No more.
See you later, you asshole.
Yeah, I was reading that earlier there, Ed, about the new Cybertruck and everything else. Elon's new master plan. Let's see how that news has affected Tesla. Well, the market's not taking too well to it at the moment. Tesla's down on the day, almost a whole percent, 0.95% down on the day. So don't trade the news, kids. Trade the reaction to the news. By all means, if you like something, the news pops and you like the catalyst, by all means, buy it. And if you like it and you like the company, and you know, that's up to you. Do your own due diligence, but trade the price action, trade the market's reaction to the news. Don't trade the news itself. If you believe in a company long term, do your thing. 10 more likes. Come on, guys. If you haven't pressed the thumbs up button, do it now. We've got 45 minutes before the market opens. I know I've got treats for you. I have to wait for them to do 10 more likes and then I can give you a treat. And don't forget, if you want day trade with Tony, tankers and coffee mugs and sweaters and whatever, with the relevant catchphrases on there, go check out the Etsy merch store. Link in the description or in the link tree. The link to the link tree is pinned in the chat. Not a lot of movement right now. C4 probably the one that's moving up the most. Going to try and test 3 again, it looks like. Yeah, no, I agree with you there, dude. At the moment, the consolidation is the good thing about that consolidation on STTK is that it's staying above the VWAP. It's just trading within this range, so that's pretty much what you've got to look out for. So when the bell rings, if it breaks out to the upside, then you're looking at potentially getting it for the break, take some profits at the $0.50, and if it pulls back, get out at break even. But if it continues, you can then scale in. Same thing if it you know, why not short it? If it's shortable and you've got you can afford to borrow it. If it breaks below $4, so currently the low 404 is the kind of pivot level there. 435 the pivot level up at the top. So that 30 cent range, if you will, that it's trading in from 405 to 435 or 404 to 436. So, you know, 32 cent range to be the penny, but I like the rounded numbers better. Hey Mark, that's not a bad thing though, is it? You know? Statistically I tend to do better in a bullish market. So there tends to be more bullish stocks running in a bullish market. for obvious reasons. So the options are usually more. Harvey, back over $2. Yes. So they've got the top three gappers on the screen there, on the small chart. So do we get over? Do we get over $3 here? C4 Therapeutics. Hey Robin, how you doing, buddy? So Aditex, big mover yesterday, is actually pulling back today. FD short, don't like it. Kind of break even on the day at the moment. Give or take a little bit. We're over $3 on C4 Therapeutics. It's the one of the biggest movers at the moment, momentum-wise. It's just not volatile enough for me to really like it. I usually like to take it at least 10 cents out of a move, and the range on this is a little over 4 cents, 4.5 cents on the ATR on the 1 minute. So to get 10 cents, I think there's a bit more risk. Only penny spread, but yeah, so it's 2 full candles to make that 10-cent move from 2.95 to 3.05 there. So it just adds weight to what I was saying. What are you guys watching? If anything. Are you watching anything? You know what, I'm going to put my footrest up on my chair. Absolutely, Morg. 479 on the SPY. That's your all-time high. Let's go back to the SPY. Talking about the markets. So we're current high of day today is 465.36. Well, let's go back to the daily that I was looking at earlier. The daily chart, as you can see, just as you can see here, I've got it mapped out, the all-time highs, 479.36 on the SPY. That's your all-time high. We're getting a lot closer to it. So we're now, in terms of this bull market channel, the median line there, we're at the bottom. We broke below the bottom there in October. Then we had this lovely bullish run in November, and we're having this Santa Claus rally all the way up to the new year. It looks like a nice little Santa Claus rally. Coming up to Christmas next weekend after next. Oh, looking forward to that.
So the next time we hit the top of this bull market channel will be all-time highs. It could very well reach all-time highs before we hit the top of this bull market channel. But the market's only ever going one direction. If you're looking for an ETF that's going to give you maximum returns for you to dollar cost average or lump sum average, if you get your wage at the end of each month, you want to put a couple of $100 or whatever it is in, then look no further than the TQQQs. Not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. It's just that it is based on the NASDAQ 100, but it's leveraged 3 times. So you get a lot more bang for your buck with this one in terms of return on investment, averaging about 30% a year. So really good gains on that. NASDAQ. Look at this on the weekly. You see, go back to the all-time highs on the NASDAQ. On the Qs, where it's like 405, $5 more. So, no, 408 to 71 on the Qs. So $8 more on the Qs, and we'll be at all-time highs. So, market's looking very bullish at the moment. We broke out of that range on here. That took labs. Now, how do we play this? Looking for an entry, but I can't see one yet. $0.75. Psychological entry maybe for a small position. Will I get 15 cents? I should do. Now we get a nice pullback. Pullback to the 9. False, maybe? Or that would you take the $0.50 and use your 9 as your stop loss? Nice. Good. 18 cents. 18-cent move, dude. Nice. I was too busy waffling about the SPY and I missed the breakout. Right. It's not the Pokemons, is it? You can't catch them all. $0.30 move though, 35-cent move, 435 for the breakout, up to 473, 474. Nice for the next breakout to go up to 728 like it did, and getting a new high of the day, like it did after 7, just before 7. Yeah, double top there. Has to break the psychological level of the $0.75 for me now. That double top just it isn't enough to just get a new swing high. That's quite a no, the nines there at 450, so you're talking like 25 cents there. Makes sense, I guess. Given the range is 12, it's like 2x on the ATR. And so it's interesting. C4 $3. It's just holding that $3 level. I think AUVI is probably more likely to pop before C4 based on the way the charts are looking, although that is under the VWAP, whereas C4 is above the VWAP. Morning, Cal. There you are again. And I'll give this 15 cents. I like to see this at $5 as it happens. Looking at it on the 5, that's really a reasonable expectation on the 5 minute. 488, 472, yeah, okay. I don't want to be getting in another bloody 2 hours of consolidation with this POS. Yeah, Robin? I don't know about having a hard time. I mean, it's 123% up on the day. I don't know what's having a hard time. At 435 was the right level to get, 436. That's what I got in before. I still got in there again. We'll see. I'm gonna get $5 on the next pot. And after this trade, I will give the dog a treat. We got over 50 likes. Give yourself a pat on the back, and if you haven't, smash that thumbs up button. Yeah, C4. I'm not impressed with C4. It's just there's no real range on it. It's not volatile enough for me. I'm keeping a watch on it because there's not a lot else to watch at the moment. Flat topping at $0.75, looks like. Well, cheers, fuck. I mean, you could always look for a VWAP bounce on C4 and buy, like you might buy it at around 290. You've got that VWAP just stopped. 285, 286. I don't know. 5 cents. Yeah. I like it all. Yeah, because you think it's halted. What's going on?
Take some profit if I get 5 cents, 475. I'm risking just the 10 cents. We're gonna have another go at it. 475, $0.75. New high of day would be nice, but 728 is way off. New swing high. Let's go and come and get $5. That would be nice. I don't know why the people are scared of clowns. I mean, just think about it. If a clown's coming after you with a big bloody sword or a big machete or something, just run away. It's not like they can run after you with those big floppy clown feet. You know what I mean? It's like zombies. Why would you be scared of a zombie? I mean, they move really, really slowly. Yeah, absolutely, absolutely. Got to size spot. We've traded it a few times this year. We know how it performs now. The pop and drop. You've got to be quick. In, out. Take your profit quickly on size spark. Where's the volume gone? We've got 20 minutes. 20 minutes before the market opens. It would be nice to get 2K on this. Move up to $5 will give us that ish. Lovely to get to goal before the market opens, so we can do our usual trick of giving it back after the bell. He'll be, well, we won't be skiing right now. He'll be in bed, probably nursing an après ski hangover. He's in Canada, I believe. Well, it depends which Alistair. Billy's still here. There we go. Get some green on the board. And my stop is break even. And this trade into a green trade. We're 1,600 up on this earlier in the day. Give it all back.
Yeah, well, I don't like it when the Wi-Fi is down. This is why I always have I'm always kind of bridged with my mobile data and the Wi-Fi. So if the Wi-Fi did go down for whatever reason, I could still get out pretty much straight away because it's bridged. Next candle to make a new low for me. I'll be out. Oh, there we go. Lost a little bit on that flush. But still green on it. And that's all that matters. So we've got 3 green trades. Get green, stay green. That's the whole point. Oh, that is a big drop. I hope you didn't buy the 9 there, Vols. I still think if this pulls back into that range that we were trading in previously, this 30-cent range here between 404 and 430, 35, 36. It could still pop at the open. Oh, we've got 16 minutes to wait. And we're 300 bucks, no, 200 bucks better off than we were 10 minutes ago. Yeah, but if you look at the way this was trading in the range, the breakout was anticipated, and I was too busy chatting. Getting in there for breakout of this, the actual breakout of this range is a nice, good 40 cents you could have got out of that. 40 plus cents, 50 cents even. You got it at 430, 435, 436, all the way up to 486, 487. It went up to what, 488, I think it was, 487. So you could have got a 40-cent move, which wouldn't have been bad. Wouldn't have been bad. Ah, you'll get it back, Vols. You'll get it back. That's the problem with when you're using moving average as entry and exit signals. It works until it doesn't. $836 would have been a good entry. Here, the breakout. Now, was resistance? Will it find support? Doesn't look like it. Looks like it's coming straight back into that in that range. Probably will pull all the way down to $4 again. A bit like when it broke out here, it pulled all the way back to $4. So, yeah. Wide UV. Yeah, I'm not impressed. C4. Yeah, C4 just not volatile enough for me. It's looking reasonably strong between the 9 and the 20.
moving up, but it's just not volatile enough. That 4 cent volatility on the 4 cent ATR is just not. I'd rather wait for something better. Morning, by the dip. Yeah, it's finding that 430, 435 level now as support. So let's see, is that just a bit of a bull trap here, or is it going to continue down? LFMD, back above the VWAP. I think it's probably best to wait till the bell now. Wait for something else to pop out. Oh, it's treat time. Every day's a bad day to chase. How do you know that? There's the treat. Oh. Here. Okay. There's the dog. The table isn't long enough. Oh, what I can do? I'll pull it round that way. There we go. There's the dog. Okay, Miyako. Everybody say hello to Miyako. Good girl. So, Miyako says hi. Miyako says thank you. I don't know by the dip. There's a lot more volatility of late than there has been certainly in October. November was good. We're getting quite a bit in December. I think there's more volatility than there was certainly in the summer and the early autumn stroke fall, whatever you want to call it. Oh, I've got artwork. The whole point of the background filter is so I can get the scanners up there. Robin says. Morning, Tom. Good man. Right. C4 Therapeutics. We're now getting a 5% range. There's no more. You've had your fill. Let me wipe your eye. Up to the eye. That one as well. Okay, so it's up at 325. And now we're now getting an increase in the air. It's over 5 cents now. I still don't like it. I still don't think it's volatile enough, but it is the top mover right now in terms of momentum. So fill your boots. What are you watching at the open? I'm still watching STTK. I'm watching Cypher, but with little interest. I'm watching C4 because we might get some better volatility. Excuse me, better volatility at the open. I'm watching AUVI, 5UV. That's pretty much it, really. Fantasing, USG, not really doing much. It popped up and that's sideways with low volume. Not really. Yeah, we'll see what the market gives us. Like C4 and STTK are probably the ones to watch. Maybe Applied UV as well at the open. But there's nothing looking strong at all, Carl. You're absolutely right, which is why I'm not in a trade right now. Hey, 83, how you doing? Palantir. Let's have a look at Palantir, Alan. Palantir's had a good couple of days, hasn't it? So, well, no, it's had a poor couple of days. It had a good week last week, did Palantir, but so look at this on the daily. So last week had a good week. But this week it's been selling off. So Palantir, are you shorting it, or are you long or short on it there, Alan? Right now it's low, relatively low volume on Palantir. Kind of barcoding, slightly up, less than 1%, but slightly up on the day. Not really volatile at all. There's no range. Still thickly traded though. So for me, Palantir would have to do something special for me to get it on it right now, because I'm not seeing anything to say that it's going to make any kind of significant move. So yeah, that's Palantir. Yeah, up just barely there, Alan. I mean, it's what, 0.75%, which is what's that? 12 cents. It's up 12 cents in the pre-market. Come on. There's better options. Much better options like these two. So C4 and STTK are what I would say probably the better options at this moment in time. 4 minutes before the bell though, do I really want to start taking a trade now? The 9 and the 20 and the $0.50 are all converging about the same play, so that might be. I might go for a small dip buy. See if it pans out. Well, it's up there. It's 330 now. C4. Like I said, I don't like, if it gets more volatile, moves get bigger, then yeah, I'll be interested. But at the moment, not really. I'm gonna buy that smaller size for me.
because we've got the 9, we've got the half dollar, the 9 and the 20, all pretty much converging at the same place. So the 9's 451, the 20's 450, and of course you've got the half dollar. I'll just give it 5 cents. If it moves up, I can scale in. I'm effectively, what am I risking? 50 bucks? Oh. 7 cents giving it. I thought I got in at 450. Yes, you may borrow my phone. I'm staying green on it. Calculated risk, that one, hence the small. Well, getting 65% off there all day. On a monthly basis, it's less than 70 bucks a month. If you're going for the annual basis, it works out pro rata across the year at less than 60 bucks a month. But yeah, link. I've put the link tree in there, so the link's there in the link tree, and I've got the code. If you use that link, the code which is 2423 will get you 65% off at the moment, which I believe is only going to last till Christmas. And believe it or not, it is a tax deductible. So if you're paying for Benzinga, that's a business expense. It's a tax deductible. You claim that back against and offset it against any taxes you pay. Same thing for platform fees, commissions, fees, anything like that. They're a tax deductible. Buy some day trade with Tony cups and coffee pots and offset them against tax as well if you want. Consumables. I'll be pushing it a little bit, but why not? There's the bell. Okay, the scanner's over. Freaking me out here. We pull back for a small micro incentive move up.
Oh, I'm just going to take, and then I'm going to buy the dip when it comes all the way back. That was a small gain there. Where 58 is. There's a 10-cent trailing stop there. That breakout. 558 is the hold level to the upside. Well, 600 away. And I get another 12 cents. Let's see a pullback. Go to. Made 350 bucks for gold. Looks like we might get it. Oh, new high of day. Well, not yet. New high of session rather. Get a new high of session. I'll get the. I'll pretty much guarantee. No, I'm 200 bucks away. Do we not like that? $4.81 volts. Well, look, all green is good green. All green is good green. What else is moving? Aditex is moving again. Big mover yesterday, Aditex. Moving again. Heavily down after yesterday's pullback, but C4 pulling back to the VWAP. I was right for the gap and go. Good shout for the gap and go, Tony. Well done. Getting higher lows. Didn't break the high of session high yet, which is 513. That's the last red candle as well. We're looking for 525 here. So C4 trying to bounce off that VWAP. We're not enjoying this consolidation here. First candle meant for low. Back over $5 and we'll be good. We'll be set for the day. Oh, we get it. It breaks low. All right, let's have a look at add a text. Yeah. 4-cent spreads. Yeah, we've got some decent volatility on C4. Yeah, to be fair, X is moving up, pulling back up to 38, now under 37, so might get a VWAP bounce on STTK. Cheers, Wolf. Have a good one, bud. Hey, Black Eagle. How you doing, buddy? Good to see you again. We're 15 minutes in, we should start seeing the volatility kind of subside a little bit now. So you've got your opening 15-minute candles have all been formed. Don't like this here right now. Not breaking out. I thought it'd come up and break out. It might break out, but it's just not doing right now. So I'll take a scratch trade on that. Devil horns possibility, possible reversal. We'll see. I'll wait for the breakout. What else can we look at? I was right. Well, there you go, dude. That's why you have your analytics. That's why you review your trades. Where are your biggest losses coming and why? Altamira Therapeutics. Is this what is this? So stock split, reverse split. Let's halt it at 43. We should resume in about 40 seconds. Let's have a look at the catalyst on this one. Yeah, so the 20-to-1 reverse stock split on Altamira Therapeutics, and it dipped down hard on Monday as well. There's the resumption. $508, the halt level to the downside, $620 to the upside. There's $508 right now. So Altamira Therapeutics, that's the a couple of halts. That was a false halt, it looks like. What's the spreads on this? 20 cents on the spreads ish. They're quite whippy. Probably not worth the risk, given the 24-cent range, 20-cent spread. Probably not worth the risk. Could be. Are we going to get the break out of this flat top here? There's the breakout and the pullback, all by the dip. Move back up. It. I'll just take 25 bucks to pay for the trade. It's not volatile enough, like I said before. Oh, looks like the S&P 500 is breaking lows. It's coming down to test these lows at 464. I'd like to see us back up over 465 again, but this time, plenty of time. Alright, it's probably worth a dip buy here. Let's have a look at Twitter. Oh no, United States Steel. X. Well, that's up quite a bit today. 3.5%. Don't know why. Low price stock hunters. Kaijin Auto.
Lice. Sealed Q Corp. I should have bought that dip. Thinking myself there. Should have, would have, could have. Yeah, I don't like it. It's just choppy. I'll wait for something nice to pop. QSG, where are you? Well, let's have a look at Sidespar trying to curl back up again, breaking high session highs. Long way to go for the VWAP, but Sidespar looking interesting. Yeah. Cognizant. Take the bid with you. All the way up. I'm a bit gung-ho with this, to be fair. Partial fill. That's terrible. Am I going to move back up and get me filled? Come on, get me filled. No, you wanna. 70. On the bid. Keep going. There we go. There we go. Over at a VWAP, you know you want it. $75, $77, 78 is the high, session high right now. 77 the VWAP. In the spread. Giving away all of those games. And SciSpark does that as well. 635. It went up to 635 on the ask. Come on, take it with you. Fine. I'm your swine. Let's get that uphold. 708. SciSpark, you're a swine. A teasing swine. Come on. Hey Stanford, it flushed. I was caught all watching effectively, so it flushed and it was down there, and I thought, okay, look, it's close to the support line down here at 580. I know there was a halt, but then the false halt came in. I thought, okay, do you know what? I'll buy the dip. If it doesn't work out, it doesn't work out. Risky play, I know. Yeah, look, sometimes you shoot from the hip. Like I say, do as I say, don't do as I do. Since I've averaged down, I'm like, what, 15 cents off the ask? 25 cents off the ask. And growing. Keeps breaking laws, I'm just going to have to get it. The good thing that I like about SciSpark is it is volatile, not like C4. C4 moving up, which I like about that, but just not volatile enough.
So the idea here is to stay green. I always make it back later. It's very choppy. Extremely choppy. It's over $4 now, actually. D4. And I know the 9's underneath the 20, which is also a bit of a bearish signal as well, which doesn't help, but I'll let it play out now. Excuse me, Nvidia breaking highs, you love to see it. 485, testing 485, 484.97, testing 485. I don't know what the hell that was. Yeah, that's got me there. So we'll have to make that back somehow. That's a bit extended right now. Ultimune though. Ultimune's looking nice. What's the volume like? You're always risky when you try and trade SciSpark. It's just one of those stocks that either goes for you or against you. And right now, look, I'm 300 down on it. It's not a big deal. Current high of day, 431. I mean, all day it happens. It happens. You know, it was easy come, easy go. You've got to have that mentality. So SciSpark took me about
3 grand up and then took 3 grand down again. So it's if I'd not traded SciSpark, I'd just have saved some commissions. So we're not far off the same across the board now. I want to buy the 9 and do a Volts. SciSpark will probably test the VWAP again later, so that's the way it moves. It really does. Yeah, up and down again today, Alistair, but we're still green at the moment, so any greens go green. We were like 3 grand up on SciSpark and gave it back. We were 1600 up on STTK and went red on it. So, you know, it's just one of those days. Choppy, very choppy. But look, there's opportunity. If you're taking the profits and you're not holding too long, I should have been home and hosed with SciSpark and I held it too long. So it's my own fault for being too greedy. Take profits quick with that one. I don't like that 5-minute doji. To be fair, dojis are usually a change in sentiment. When you find a doji at the top of a move or at the bottom of a move, it's usually a change in sentiment on the higher time frames. On 5-minute.
Yeah, $4 was my cut off there. So, bit of a head and shoulders. That 5-minute doji. Let's see. Back over the VWAP. What else is moving? Moving well. No volume. Yeah, I don't like it. Saito, we looked at this earlier. The S&P 500 back above the VWAP. Green spark. 25 cents on the day. It's 10 o'clock. Wow, that's a big move. Acadia. Very big move. Using volume too. What's the news that brought this in? Alright, okay. I'm not seeing any catalyst on Acadia. Big move though. High relative volume. Spreads 10 cents on the spread, 70 cents on the range. That's good. Thank you very much, my love.
I'll be back. Hold on. Your burger is there.
Oh, we like this. Oh. Gifted a lovely chicken sandwich, so a fillet roll sandwich. Thank you very much, my love. Service with a smile.
From 3K up to 3K down. I love this game. Not finished yet there, Robin. Ye of little faith. Not like I was up that much pre-market. This is swings both ways. I'm actually slightly behind on this month. Well, it's over 30k this month, but still there, or thereabouts. When you're going in with big size, you tend to have big wins, but also big losses. Well, sat here with $500 down, nobody would be batting an eyelid. All it is sizing. I'm trading at like 10, 12,000 share size. And that was a $8 move. 21.17 to 28.84. It's 750, 760. Get a break out then. Still mine. $28. 28. 72. $27. What was it? 27.92. We'll give 28. Yeah, 791. Four, 95, 94, 97, 28. Can we get 28 on the bid there? 29, it's 27.99 on the ask. I'm just going to lock some of that in. And we test the higher day. What's over 28? 28 on the ask, not on the bid yet. Pull back up. Hey, live by the sword, die by the sword, Cal. Just made 2k on that pot.
50 cents ATR. Okay. We have a grand back. Oh, Sprite. Volatility on a $30 stock, a $5 stock, it's some volatility. Deliberately not looking at the P&L because where the hell have me as it pulls back. Well, we had some Christmas tunes earlier. Oh, I'll give you that, Robin. Hail Marys very often don't win you the game. I always say, base hits. Don't swing for the fences. This is a swing for the fence. This is a Hail Mary. Aaron Rodgers? Who the hell's Aaron Rodgers? Any relation to Buck? All right, okay. I get you now. I get you. Well, that sounds like me with trading. I've had a few Hail Marys that have gone my way. I've had a few that have not. Over 28, we might revisit the highs. And let's let it play out. The ATI is making moves again. BMEA also making moves again. U is up. Top of the momentum charts right now. Oh, HYW is top of the momentum charts right now, actually. It's going, trying to do a red to green, it's down heavily on the day. On a bounce. HYW. Oh, this is enthralling viewing, I guess. Just consolidating sideways right now. It's looking fairly weak to me. Cooking on gas? Oh, I don't know about cooking, it's certainly not on gas. Well, I'd like to think so, but is it going to break down below 27 before it breaks 28? Because that's what I've got my stop. So I've got 15 minutes for it to break out above 28 and hit straight up into the halt at $30.29, and I'd love that. It's bouncing on the 20. It's not breaking out above 28. That's the thing. I'm waiting for it to get over 28. Really want 29. That's the risk reward that I'm looking for. It needs to break out. Just doesn't look strong enough to me. Volume's drying up. Higher lows, but lower highs. We've got a 5-minute pennant at the moment that's formed, but It's not looking particular. All the wicks, the big no. 5-minute wicks are all to the upside mostly. We'll let it play out. Got 50 cents either way. Where it is right now. Rejected. And we get the breakout. Gonna get rejected again. It is coiling under 28. Pretty much where my average is. It's being stubborn at 28, absolutely. But a nice bit of bullish volume, plus 28 up to 28.50, and we can start talking about 29. Let's get 28 first. Take that off. And then if it pulls back, I can buy a dip. I reckon add as it moves up. Did get a new 5-minute high. Candle made 5 minutes on the new high on the 5-minute. That's the 9. Next one is the 20. Six. Struggling to get over 28, so I don't think it will. If it does, I want something in it when it does, because it will go with huge volume. It's just between the spreads at the moment. Minutes and I'll be switching over to the Discord, guys. So if you're not in the Discord, you won't find out. But let's see how far it comes back. Anything else moving? Yeah, I don't like that. Ooh, missed that. What a great move that was. $1.50. You got only $3 today. Fired up to electronics. Have a look. What's the spread? 5 cents. Range 14. hammer calculators. Quite a bit. 16% on the day. Bubble mode. I'm not seeing a company specific catalyst for it, but it is coiling there under 2160. Nope. Nope. W International. Look, I'm going to carry on trading in the Discord, guys. I'm going to lock it up here. We're at the top of the hour, so I'll record all my trades as I always do. And if you're in the Discord, you can trade along with me, but don't copy me blindly. So I'll see you guys that are in the Day Trade with Tony community over in the Discord. The rest of you, I will see tomorrow, 8 o'clock sharp. I'll be trading from 7:30 in the Discord, 8 o'clock tomorrow here on YouTube, Twitch, Rumble, Twitter, etc., etc. If you want to learn how to trade, links in the link tree, it's pinned in the chat or in the in the description as well. Yeah. Go check out the links. Benzinga still, I can get you using my link. 65% off on Benzinga at the moment. That's a special offer that will go away. So check that out. And I'll see you tomorrow. If you're not in the Discord, I'll see you in 5 minutes over in the Discord. But if you're not in the Discord, I'll see you tomorrow. Take it easy, guys.